Yeah, those are great magnets.
Yeah. So yeah, go ahead and collect up the magnets. Just put them next to each other. Yeah, put them to each other because we're going to collect them up all as well. We'll just take these home. You don't need those anymore. So yeah, so for the second one, do the bolt. And now you see we're adjusting it a little bit. Like that's why we wanted to not tension the belt completely.
Yeah.
So we've got adjustability still, and we do. So let's get that in there.
You're gonna have to go lower than. We're gonna have to lift up the whole box.
Yeah. Okay.
Or just slide it off the edge.
Or we can try. Yeah, let's slide up the edge.
The JB
Yeah.
Weld kind of. There's a little spot. Should we take this out so it can slide?
Right. Yeah, we
So
could
you
do
just
that.
have to drop like a tiny bit.
Right. Okay.
Or is that as far as it'll go?
No,
There we go.
I'll do it. Okay. So do that. And we're putting the motors on top, so we have all this room for this to go down all the way. So you get more vertical distance.
Yeah.
Yum yum. They
That was
can go
a ha.
Hmm?
That was ha.
Yeah. So, because you want to get as much vertical distance. If you put this one up, this would like be sitting a little higher, and you want all that vertical. Yeah. Okay. So just tighten it by hand, or
Do you have anything to hold the nuts with?
well, you can use this one on.
Oh, just do it.
Yeah, just do it
Yeah.
by hand.
Just hold the nuts with.
Yeah.
just do.
I guess it doesn't have to be super.
Right.
No,
The canning jar.
Where's a little?
Oh, actually, no, but that's what I always
You can
think
use
when you
that
say
to
that.
tighten it, and then just- It's not the right tool, but
It'll work.
you just do the nut.
But be careful not to get it real tight because of plastic and stuff. Be gentle.
How I think that's probably good enough for this one.
So which axis is this one, this vertical one, Marcin?
Yeah, that's the Z-axis.
This is the Z one here?
Mm-hmm.
And then this is?
The Y.
How do you know it's the Y and not the X? I'm not being a smart ass.
No, it's by the convention of how we find it.
Okay.
These usually.
Wait, yeah, I was asking about the X
The
and
way
the
that you
Y.
have to basically define, okay, I look at it from the front in such and such way.
Oh, so X is on the left and Y is on the right. Oh, no, this is Y. Y is on the
We're
left.
going to declare the front.
Yeah.
Like this, we just declare one side, and then we say,
Yeah.
okay, we need a long bolt. Once again, we might have to loosen it. So, yeah, so loosen it and get it to the right place. So we probably want to take out the plug.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.